Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize.net ARB Integration, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and implement recurring billing with ease. First, let's start with the basics. Authorize.net ARB stands for Automated Recurring Billing, a feature that allows merchants to automatically charge customers on a recurring basis. To integrate ARB, you need to have an Authorize.net account and a payment gateway set up. The first step is to obtain your API credentials, which include your API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are used to authenticate your API requests. You can find these credentials in your Authorize.net account under the Settings section. Next, you need to choose a programming language and a development environment to work with. Authorize.net provides APIs for various programming languages, including Java, PHP, and Python. Choose a language you are comfortable with and set up your development environment accordingly. Now, let's move on to creating a customer profile. A customer profile is required to store the customer information and payment details. You can create a customer profile using the Authorize.net API by sending a request with the customer information, including name, address, and payment details. After creating a customer profile, you need to create a subscription, also known as a recurring billing cycle. This can be done by sending a request with the subscription details, including the payment amount, frequency, and duration. To test your ARB integration, you can use the Authorize.net Sandbox environment. The Sandbox environment allows you to test your integration without actually charging any customers. You can create test customer profiles and subscriptions, and test the ARB functionality. Best practices for ARB integration include handling errors and exceptions properly, using secure protocols for API requests, and testing your integration thoroughly before going live. It is also important to comply with PCI DSS standards and to keep your API credentials secure. In conclusion, Authorize.net ARB integration is a straightforward process that can be completed by following these steps. By understanding the basics of ARB, obtaining your API credentials, creating customer profiles and subscriptions, and testing your integration, you can successfully implement recurring billing and start accepting payments from your customers.